Today.
That was Mexican.
Can we attack him together? Make it black. Like my man.
You seriously now? You're gonna die.
So
They're gonna die.
Hello everyone, welcome to Vancouver time. This is the third episode. We are so excited. She's scared. Every time I'm doing it. Like, can we get a heads up?
Are we really starting like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So you have to start like, ¿Qué pasa amigos? Por favor, watch the video.
¿Qué pasa, vato? You said shit! Hey, you said shit!
We have a guest today, our guest from Mexico. She survived from the cartel, she escaped it. She was the prisoner in the Mexico City.
That was Mexican.
Can we attack him together?
Right. Yeah.
Nobody's gonna know.
Exactly. That's why I'm wearing like this and this.
Wow. Okay. Okay, girl.
That's my girl. Let's go.
We have the outers right there, right?
Yeah.
These are not fake louds, these are real louds.
If they're not. You came. When did you came here?
Hi there. I've been here for 3 months now.
Yeah.
My name is Azul, that in Spanish means the color blue.
Oh.
So people call me Blue also, and it's basically the same, it's just a color.
Do you have like a long name? Like
yes.
Azul Sergio Rodriguez, por favor.
Yeah.
Por favor.
Azul. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Azul Shanique Villanueva Díaz.
Oh,
Say that.
Rosa Isabela María Lupita Novela Sábado Gigante Plaga da Chancleta Chuleta Sofita Adobo Sazón.
Say that, come on.
No way.
Azul
Shadik Villanueva
Díaz.
Yeah. The last name, yeah. Mexico? Where are you from?
I'm from a small town called Zacatecas. Nobody knows where it is.
He was like, oh man. Like, yeah.
I guess that's a place.
Is that somewhere?
Go with it.
Yeah, it's just
She literally was just said like your mother. So I'm like, yes.
yeah, so it's still Zacatecas. And yeah, but I was living in the north also. It's another part of Mexico that is called Monterrey. Say it.
Monterrey.
There you go. Oh my god, you're Mexican.
¿Qué pasó, amigo?
Yeah, well, that's the most beautiful part. Basically, like the south.
Yeah.
It's the most popular one also, but just have. I love my country. I'm just gonna say that in my defense. Yeah, it's just.
Because I was about to ask, like, after like making jokes, we will not get shot, right?
No. That is in Colombia. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. Like, right? No, but yeah, unfortunately, it's not really secure to live there. Usually, when you succeed, like in some area in your life, even though you have like your own business, even if you are just working like properly, you get into this kind of spotlight for people that are just dangerous, and they have like they call you or just yeah.
Give me my money.
Yeah, they can kidnap you, ask for money.
He can relate it, yeah.
It just why?
I mean, Nigeria is pretty much like Mexico.
Are you sure
You
about
just got
that?
the negras and the negros.
This guy was drinking coffee right here. It's just
Make
not.
it black. Like my man.
Yeah,
That
thank
was
you,
up.
thank
That
you
was
also.
up.
So today's topic is the studying abroad. Like all we are international student and we are going to same school.
Are we gonna say the name?
No.
No.
Oh no! No!
No.
Before they send it to the school, like the last video. Cut the cameras, y'all. So where did you do your bachelor's? Your bachelor's?
International relations.
Oh, like where? Mexico?
Yeah, Mexico. On the north, like not in my home, like in my state, but like I moved to another state by myself.
Because there's no school.
Yeah, exactly.
I
I mean,
horse,
we have
horse trainers.
we have We have nice schools, but just about medicine or just some other areas that are not really.
What about you,
international.
Sergeant? Where did you do your bachelor's?
Civil engineering
Like where?
in Turkey.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a northern part. Nobody goes there before.
What's up in the north?
Yeah.
No rappers. You about passed out.
With one beer.
Breathe, sister, breathe.
Get some help. Keep like the attention away from me.
Oh,
Okay, so
That's impossible around this. Baby, see you hide it, we pull you out.
So you were saying?
Oh yeah, in Nigeria you do like 15 subjects when you're in high school, and it's like
Yeah,
why?
climbing the tree, like 50.
Girl, we have a very strong educational
Right,
system.
right.
I'm sorry, yeah.
Bitch, slap him from me, please.
He's talking about the courses and everything back in Mexico. But
He's
he
giving me
wanted to
projection.
dress like a Mexican actually. He was trying.
I'm trying, okay?
What would you say? Is that Mexican enough or
Not
not?
at all. She's like,
And I'm talking beside like
That was the answer.
yeah, it's just like someone who's probably trying to get to Cancun but just kind of lost around the area.
Mrs. Flight coming to
and
Las
asking the
Vegas.
cartel, okay, sir, how can I go there? And they're carrying like AK-45.
Right,
47.
yeah, exactly. He was really there. Saying Ernesto the whole
Yeah.
day.
Ernesto, ¿qué pasa, amiga?
How about you, Azul? How was the education?
It was well, in high school it was really like just listening to the professor and just do those activities and pretty much like doing more dynamic stuff. But on university it was basically just, hey guys, just teach yourself. Here's information. See you later. Basically that was like the thing.
How was
right?
cheating? In universities like in Nigeria, you can like not all, but most. You can
Yeah.
like pay like professors off, like buy them off.
Yeah,
Corruption! Corruption!
I mean, in Mexico too.
Yeah.
Not all of them, of course.
Not all,
we-
but
we had like one professor that used to say like, if you know how to, if you know how to, what am I saying? If you want,
Start speak Spanish, like. And they will act like we understand.
¿Sabes cómo? Okay, I got it. If you want to pass the subject, I'm gonna pass you guys the CDs, like a CD with the bag, and then you know what you know, and then you have like to put like bills on it.
what's
And
in
then
the
pass it
church is
back.
going on? You know in church
Exactly.
when they pass the collection plate.
And the bigger the amount, that's what's up back in Mexico. So
Turkey cheating? No. Paying out?
No, not like when you say cheating, I was just putting some information behind my calculator. That's all. So there's the cheating for me, like.
no, we have another level of cheating, which is-
Let's just say I have a friend
oh my god.
that's literally his mom will paid somebody to write his whole exams for
Yeah.
him.
Really?
Yeah, like he would just go to the exam hall, sit there, sign his name, do a thumbprint, and then somebody will write all his papers and he just put it in.
It explains now.
No, it's not. It's not. I guess that's corruption. Money can get you anything.
Yeah.
We didn't talk about to Canada, so how is it so far? How is it here?
Based on my grades, school here. I don't know anything.
I think they're trying to make you busy. That's the point. Like,
Oh my god.
the topic
yes.
is not important.
Complicated.
Like, yeah, it's
Yeah.
like it's not that
Yes.
hard, but you have to be busy. Like, I think they're enjoying that.
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah.
suffering? Oh, okay, good job. Then you're trying. Like,
It's like I think maybe because we're doing MBA, that's why it's so like it feels so complex. Like all the readings, assignments, tests.
They have
Each
to make it
week.
hard even when the
Topic is easy,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
yeah. It's like topic is organic items, so it's like talking like 1 hour.
Can I ask you, do you think like if we did our MBA in a different school, it would be harder, or it's just that's it?
I think it will be same.
Cut the bleep out the name.
I will be like that. Yeah.
Yeah, but do you just think it's our school that is?
I think they
I
want
think
to
it'll be
improve the level,
Mm.
and that's why they are making like so much complicated than
Mm-hmm.
it actually is.
I think NBA will be same, right? Because they did no. Oh my god. We're
Yeah.
suffering here, okay?
Yeah.
We're suffering. Little bit.
This is a crying group.
The topic's hard. I think it's just the
not at all,
scheduling
not at
that
all,
is
not at
difficult,
all,
right?
Not at all.
It's just the schedule.
Okay, we came to fun things about Mexico. Mexico is a home to world largest pyramid.
Yeah.
Not Egypt. Mexico.
Not
Mexico.
Egypt.
Yeah.
Egypt
Oh,
is
pyramids.
more
Yeah,
famous.
pyramids.
What's
Yeah.
it called?
YouTube.
Get her Mexicans!
I
No,
think
you can say the location. It was like really
it's called
interesting.
La Gran Pirámide de Cholula, Puebla. I know that you did not, but probably people who speak Spanish kind of
Yeah.
get it. Yeah, so it's Cholula. See it?
Cholula.
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 There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Okay, second, it says the 69 different languages are spoken in Mexico. It's like
Yeah.
local languages, not Spanish.
Yeah, exactly. But most of the people that speak like a different language are like huicholes, some other kind of like people who live in the mountains and just not close to the very big cities.
Yeah.
Actually, on the south of Mexico, it's just more common to see that. But people usually learn to speak Spanish because they have to
Yeah.
like
Like
trade.
actually same for Nigeria too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have like a 63
Feeling
local
your mouth.
language.
63?
Yeah, something 62
We
or
have
3.
69.
Like, wow.
It was like wow, what a country, right?
Are you Nigerian? You stealing my people for real?
Third one, Mexico is a big time Coca-Cola consumer. It says like 163 liters per person
Yeah,
annually.
people are just so
163.
Yeah, it's like a 10 liter
like
per month.
people back like in Mexico, they give Coca-Cola to their babies. Like they put it on the, I don't know how to call that.
Beeper?
Yeah, on the thing that the babies drink. I don't know how to call that, but yeah, exactly. So instead of giving them
This is how I teach
milk
kids.
or like water, they just put like Coca-Cola in it.
Wow.
That's why people that are so addicted to it.
You gotta kill them from the birth. And that's what we call a slow abortion.
No, right after.
They share it in church, share it at like public events, right? Everything.
Yeah, they do it. Like in my family, because I'm just like
Yeah, it was like
yeah.
editor will be so angry.
Speaking for
So,
yourself.
so my family don't really do like Coca-Cola. We don't drink. I was saying it the wrong way, but yeah, we don't usually drink it because of health purposes
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
everything. But most of the people, it's just a basic thing to eat your tacos. It's just like tacos.
That sounds real good.
It's like the most basic thing.
Can I ask you some taco questions?
Taco questions, yeah.
Corn or flour?
Corn or flour? What
That's
do you
so
mean?
special.
For your
Tacos.
taco.
Tortilla.
For your tortilla, yeah.
Tortilla. Corn.
Mm.
It's the basic one, yeah. It's way more better. I have seen like some really nice places here to go that I'm not gonna say the name because they don't sponsor us.
Yeah, of course, please.
But no, just no. Oh my God. He's so lost. It's called yeah, it's
Coming to eat, girl.
yeah, exactly. So, yeah, that's a really like authentic Mexican place that I really like.
We can go there one day.
Yeah.
Okay, fourth, the meteorite that impact the world and
Wipe out
wipe out the old dinosaurs hit the Mexico.
Yeah, that's why we have
It was
these,
so interesting.
these things called cenotes. I don't know if you. Okay,
Yeah, from the Turkish YouTuber.
Beautiful.
They
so
went there.
basically it's just like holes on the ground that you can just buy like a part of land, just dip a hole and then you have a cenote.
Oh.
Oh wow. So it's like fresh water on the.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's just like pure water, and I'm also scuba diver, so I've been into those.
She was.
How
She
did-
was the one. She
You
was the
scuba dive?
scuba diver. Yeah.
Really?
I
She
did-
was
like,
teaching.
I didn't.
No?
But I
You
was
had
really
a
good.
business, right? No?
I had a business, yeah,
wow.
but not on scuba diving.
Oh,
It
okay.
was- Yeah, but I
Is it
went to
legal,
this
the
and-
business?
Yeah,
It's okay, girl. I dabble.
yeah,
He was using
So-
for another purpose.
yeah.
For immigrants to
Speak off
use.
camera.
dive here, and swim for
Or
2
even
kilometers.
Mexico, just like in the south of Mexico.
Okay,
Got it,
fifth. Color TV was invented in Mexico.
Wow.
Yeah. Did you know
Mexico
that?
really leading the world. in
Yeah,
so
right?
much.
got it. Over here, yeah. We
Hmm.
do. We
Wow,
actually
so proud, right?
Do we know the name?
No.
Okay.
This is not the informational channel, okay? It's like I'm putting that because we're making fun, alright?
All right now.
And sixth, Mexico City was built on a lake, so like city is sinking around 12 centimeters every year.
Exactly. Yeah, just
So like Mexicans, civil engineers, okay.
we constantly have earthquakes, like
Yeah.
there, like constantly, like really constantly.
Yeah, it's like someone shaking and city is like, okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
And also
12?
it's just
Instagram crash. Show us your
Okay.
Instagram crash.
guy and girl crush.
Okay,
Instagram,
sure.
So he is from Mexico. That's why I choose him because of
Yeah,
his
yeah. Good job.
conversation. His name is Alejandro Spitzer.
He part of my community?
No, I don't think so. I don't. He's hot.
He's fine.
He's not fine. He's like super. No, he's not.
Joshua has like different kind of.
No,
taste,
he's
like-
fine. No, he's handsome.
He's
He's
hot.
wearing, he's wearing, yeah.
He's super Mexican. That's why I choose him.
I see. Super Mexican, like
No,
as a
I mean-
type.
Yeah, because he's not like blonde with blue eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
So-
he looks like a kebab guy, like who's doing kebab.
I would like to report a hate crime for real.
Insult. There's amazing fish.
And we do
I'll
have
put it-
video
I'll
evidence
put it
this
somewhere.
time.
Oh, she's not Mexican.
No,
she's
that's
Spanish.
not- Yeah, she's not Mexican.
Yeah, of course. Everybody
How do you know
knows
her,
Everybody knows
Because
her.
everybody
Who's
knows her.
everybody?
She acted in Elite.
The
Do you know
whole
the
internet.
Elite Netflix show?
No, I don't watch.
She's like really
Stuff like
famous in Turkey,
Oh, really?
and yeah, she's really.
She's worldwide famous now.
What?
I think she's worldwide famous now.
Yeah.
Hmm.
She's extremely beautiful, dude. Yeah, but she's
Yeah.
How
beautiful.
old is she?
I'm still saying
20 something.
because she's beautiful.
She's hot.
Mm.
Well, that was it with my crushes.
Thank you, because we are showing every week like.
I don't-
see, she's so beautiful.
I don't want to be racist, but I'm going to say comment on me. Like, but just how do you difference? Like. her-
Oh, her from the other
Sorry.
Asian people?
Yeah.
They don't look like that same. But sometimes it happens to me like swimming school. Like I'm saying, hey Albie, she's like, no, I'm Ellie.
I know.
It's like,
Exactly. So you cannot say that doesn't happen to you, right?
but babies, they are wearing goggles and they cover the head. So yeah.
Is that your excuse?
No, don't come for my people, okay?
Yeah.
All right, deliciosa. We are going to eat now. We are going to try two Mexican snacks.
Yoo-hoo!
Azul suggest us a couple of stuff.
Say that. Do that.
I can do way
No,
better.
you don't have to do it.
I can't whistle anymore.
You use too much.
We have to do it.
All my life I had to blow.
That's why.
Period. Speak for me, sis. Snacks.
Yeah, can you pass one
Yeah.
by one?
Okay,
Okay.
so should I present it? Okay. Look at the first one. This is called Takis.
Takis. Fuego.
Yeah.
Yes. That sounds like my OnlyFans name. Takis Fuego.
$75
Hurt me.
This is Takis Fuego. I think this is gonna be the strongest for you guys to try on. We also have these paletitas de sandía. La neta no están. I'm gonna say this in Spanish. La neta no pican nada, pero vamos a ver si les pica.
Let's go!
Let's
Okay.
try the Takis.
This is the strongest.
So you want to start from the mildest?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
For your own
shoot.
safety, I
Oh, what do you think?
This is
Okay,
lollipop.
so I'm just gonna
Girl,
take
I'm African. Test me.
Alright. So these are just lollipops
Yeah.
with some spice on it.
Okay,
We
that's
have
Asian
tamarindo,
lollipop.
chile, lemon. This is basically just sugar, like, but it's like right. This is mango. Okay, I think this is good. This is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet.
Okay, let's start with the sugar then.
Yeah, let's start with the sugar, then spicy, then sweet because of your
Yeah, probably I will die.
yeah.
So what's the name of this?
Oh, what's that? What is inside?
This is tamarindo, chile, limon. It's just tamarindo con azúcar.
What's that?
You don't have to eat it all. No.
What is it?
Tamarindo. That's the name of it.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
please? Let me try it.
What are you doing?
So how it is?
Sweet and spicy
Okay,
Mexican
if you wait for
candy.
instructions. Okay, just what the fuck? Yeah. It has like 2 of these. And then you have to eat like the first one. And then
I'll just...
just like take it out.
Which part?
I guess because I think I'm supposed to put tooth out. You know I got sensitive teeth.
Okay, this part, you don't need it. Yeah. That's good.
And this is a candy?
And I start to burn my throat. Oh God!
You said this was sweet,
We
right?
don't usually eat this like regularly, but they exist.
Is this a fruit?
Yeah.
What fruit is this?
Tamarindo.
Oh, so it's
Tamarindo,
dehydrated.
say tamarindo.
Tamarindo.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they're
Wait.
It's
So,
like a
it's tamarindo.
spicy, chili, and sweet same time. Like
Yeah, but it's not.
And the tamarindo has like a jelly.
Was that spicy for you?
Yeah. So those spicy.
They're gonna die. They're gonna die with takis. Okay, so we got this one. Then this is like the second level. Okay, this is esquinkles. Say that.
what?
Esquinkles.
Escuintles. Uno escuintles, por favor. Por favor.
That was the very nice pronunciation.
Thank you.
So esquinkles.
Thank you, John. Thank you.
Juan, you mean Juan? That was
Juan.
Juan.
Ah, today you are Juan.
These people.
Oh, it looks like a
So
dog trait.
people in Mexico call escuincle to a like a child.
Oh,
Say,
okay.
hey escuincle, come on. It's just like, hey,
Hey,
boy.
squeak, squeak. Like,
Everybody.
Yeah.
very good.
So this has like tamarindo inside.
Yeah.
So
Damn, what is it with the tamarindo? I'm about to tamarind. The tamarindo is very, it's like jelly, so I guess this is healthier.
what?
Wait a sec.
This is better.
Yeah, better. Yeah, I think it's good.
Squinks,
Not that
squinks.
much, but
Yeah.
I cannot
Squinks,
eat the
squinks.
second one of
I'm
them.
surprised it's made
Okay.
of the same thing.
So therefore, is that
Lollipops.
Say arre.
Array, arriba.
Array.
Array. So should I do the with the stab like this? Array, array.
Yeah, it's soft. Not really. Okay, so you have to like beat it. Not all of it. Beat it. It's gummy.
What is that?
Did you like it?
This is taking me on a journey.
You didn't like it?
Wow, perfect. I swallowed it.
It's gummy. Like what?
God,
like
I think
it.
somebody cursed me.
I like
Right?
it.
Good job.
You just get to lick it and then.
This takes you on a journey, guys.
I see.
It starts sour, a little bitter. Your mind is lost, like, what am I eating? But it tastes watermelon.
Okay. So we have mangoes. This tastes really
You sound dead.
I think mango will be
Yes.
the best. I'm gonna be the
This
real
is like
best.
chicken jerky.
Why? God, why?
Nothing of this is spicy at all. Have you?
Yo, I think I may have COVID. I ain't tasting nothing.
Dude, like, yeah, I stopped tasting it. I'm not even chewing on it.
This is just something that we got here, but it's not usual in Mexico.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know.
All right, so let's go to the next level. That is gonna be Takis.
Takis fuego.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it.
Let me smell it first. I'm okay. I think I eat something like that.
Okay, but we're gonna put some salsa on
Try
it.
that.
Okay, first you're gonna try it like this, and then we're gonna put salsa on it. Okay, this salsa is called habanera, because they just found like, you know, some other sauce, but I think this is the best one.
Yeah. They think
So
you
go ahead, try the first one.
It smells like pizza.
1 hour later.
What was it?
It's not that bad.
Somebody call now.
Hold on.
Are you serious right now? No.
Hold on, one more.
You know when you smoke weed and eat something
Oh,
spicy,
that's
my
interesting.
head is literally like, my
No.
brain just is.
You can feel your heart. Like, what happened?
My body temperature increased like 2 Celsius probably.
Exactly
Right away.
2 Celsius. Exactly 2.
There's just something really strong about it. Like a citric acid.
Lime and
Oh yeah, it's the lime. Yeah,
ooh.
it's the lime.
Are you studying in the home?
You know I did a gastronomy course in my bachelor's.
Okay, give him extra. I don't want to eat.
Hey,
Let's
Jay,
go.
What's that thing?
Are you serious
Let's
right
go.
now? You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Let's go. Let's
Wait,
go.
wait, wait. Let's do it as a challenge.
Okay, you ate
Okay.
it.
But can we start? Why do you start so
I'm the
big?
Mexican.
You ate it. Take
okay.
it.
Damn.
Okay. Put your taquito. Say taquis fuego first.
Takis fuego!
Oh my God.
Jesus.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Cheers.
Look at straight to the camera.
Somebody call now.
Está súper cabrón este pedo. This is spicy though.
Do you remember that Turkish lady? It's like she's by saying like, okay, I died and come back. She's like,
guys, I feel
I'm feeling that moment right now.
Somebody just walked past here right now. I'm seeing things.
Did you lose that?
I think I'm seeing things.
He bought a bag for himself.
Oh my god.
Of course you're not gonna eat it.
To the gay community, if you're bottoming, this is a no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Actually, I like it.
I think I lost like
Good.
2 or 3 years in my lifetime, but it's not that spicy.
You can also like put this on like regular fruit.
Regular fruit?
Fruit or food, like
If
whatever.
you ever feel like your brain is closed up, have this. Like I feel like my brain took a deep breath.
Yeah.
No.
You're climbing the Everest and you are about to die. Take it. Zoom in.
Fuego.
Here we go. I'm burning like
Why are
this.
you both
It's-
sweating?
I mean, I know I was literally about to ask that. If I'm greasy, cut the camera. You know the rules. Don't fight me.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next one. Because you like it, she started enjoying it, right?
Yeah.
Really good.
Good. Okay.
Probably I will not buy it.
So they're breathing like super loud.
Jesus. It's not breathing, it's like yeah, dragon breathe like.
Just in case I die. What's the name of this one?
This is dulce de leches. It's just like obleas. It's just super sweet.
Super sweet. I think it's like a
Milk caramel candy
yeah.
wafer. Ooh, this is my
He's
type.
so like rushing to to eat it because he's like so.
Because my brain is melting to my nose.
Just open it like this.
And she's teaching us
Like just open it.
how to eat in 2022.
They're both like. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I already know this is going to be really good.
Yeah, it's
It's
like
gonna be good.
Harry. It's not spicy again, right?
it's sweating.
Is that a surprise?
I
got
Like a
ADHD.
hard
So you basically
Chas
cut it
halva.
in pieces. And... Actually, when you go to like a religious thing on Sundays, they give you this. Of course, without
Good,
the
good,
sugar.
try it.
Is this edible, the paper?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's not paper. It's called oblea.
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
wafer.
Oblea.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a ice cream wafer. Or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's just like a wafer actually.
No, it's the white, but no.
The thing inside is called cajeta.
Cajeta.
I love that.
Uno cajeta, por favor. Okay, what is this rose thing?
Roll. We have a mazapan. Say mazapan.
Mazapan.
Is that marzipan?
This is basically just peanuts. So people back in Mexico say, if I take care of the mazapan properly, imagine how am I gonna take of your heart.
Oh,
I should roast.
No, no, it's just a brand, but
I will use that.
Shout out to
Don't
Rose
sponsor-
family.
Shout out to Ratata.
You like it, right?
Yeah. So yeah, this is just like
nice, right?
super fragile, so you
Sticky.
don't have to smash it. And
okay, that's why you're
once
opening
you open it, it's gonna take me like 3 hours apparently.
1 hour later.
Like this, and then you eat it.
Okay.
You wanna put it?
It's just sweet.
I have a peanut allergy.
No, don't. Are you serious right now?
He's lying.
No.
CPR! CPR!
It's like Snickers.
Yeah,
It's good.
super good. It's so sweet.
It's very sugary.
Yeah, I learned something, so I can use it for
Yeah. Mazapan.
mazapan. I bring you mazapan, so I'll take care of you. Something like that.
Yeah.
I think so.
This is cocada, por favor. This is
Cocada.
cocala candy, coconut candy.
Yeah, it's just caca.
Use gram,
Caca.
100 gram.
I don't see the calories on it. Okay, so.
Feels so ethnic.
It's so ethnic.
I'm in Mexico. So yeah, today I'm
Oh
like
my
in my
God.
current mode.
It's so ethnic. Okay, so this is how you eat it. Alright.
Cocada.
It's super sweet. To my personal preferences, I better like.
Oh, that's good.
I like
Takis.
Takis, yeah, way more than.
So you're more spicy than
That's
sweet.
the
Yeah.
coconut, yeah. Why is it yellow though?
Because it's just. Sugar.
It's like bouncy.
Why is it yellow?
What was the language?
Because it's how Jello,
Oh, this is my
like
bad.
Jello artificial color.
Choices?
It just shows, right? Yeah. Somebody decides
To make it attractive, like attractive.
I feel like if it was white, it would be nicer.
I think
That
that
was
one could do
really
like something nice. Yes, I
That's
know
so
now.
right?
So over 10, what do you rank?
That one is like 1.
Damn. Yeah? Okay.
I don't like it either.
Yeah, 2.
Dude, after giving reaction, you said 2.
I always have a damn, wow. Mangoes?
4.
4. Azul?
2.
Oh my god. Rare.
La Rose?
What was
La
the name?
Rosa?
Yeah, Rosa.
Oh, sorry, Mother Panda.
La Rosa.
Wrong country. Marzipan.
Yeah.
Mazapan.
What do you say?
5?
5.
I'll give it 8. It's really cute.
Because it has a story.
Water.
Just because you have a rose in it. That's why you like it. I give it
0.
an 8.
No, I like nuts. It's peanutty.
You like nuts?
Review yourself. The watermelon one.
0.
Really? I think you need to taste
Okay,
it
we're
again.
gonna like have a conversation.
Hi, how are you, Azul? Really? I'll give it a 6. It's good.
Okay, enjoy
yeah.
it.
Azul?
5. 5.
5, okay?
Okay.
I got these.
Fuego. Takis fuego.
6.
6. This would be really nice if you coat it on like some chicken and fry it. It would be like really nice coating.
Ah, okay,
Like spicy. Like, you know, girl, I saw what you did,
Yeah.
girl.
Alright.
Hot sauce?
Yeah.
I don't understand. I don't get it. Like, it didn't add any spice on it, so it's like a, I don't know
It
why
tastes
they're
like a
using
Maggi cube to me.
Like for me,
Maggie?
like unknown.
You were sweating, don't lie. It's just like a Maggie.
It was like
it's not.
delicious, baby.
Well,
I didn't get so.
It's cute.
you
I
can
think
put
that's
that. I mean, we
Coconut,
use it on
my favorite.
some dishes.
Cocada.
Because it's just coconut with yellow
8 or 9. Yeah.
artificial.
It's really good. And smushy.
Probably if somebody asked me, okay, like give me suggestion of Mexican snacks, I would say the cocoa. For sure.
Is that really authentic
Not to
Mexican?
Mexico.
It doesn't matter. I was like
Right.
the coconut. It's coconut, dude.
And the caramel one, the caramel thingy.
What was
Oblea.
that?
Oblea.
Ah, good. Like 7 maybe.
Oblea.
Did you like it?
I did. 10. This is the best.
This was the
Eating.
snacks.
Yeah. And we are done.
Welcome to. I mean, what am I
Goodbye.
doing?
Goodbye to. Okay, you can say it in Spanish like thank you for watching. Subscribe to the
Gracias por
channel.
ver el canal. Suscríbanse,
I
denle
never
like.
finished my bird, no.
Y si les gustó esta review de Mexican Snacks, pues dejen un comentario, güey. Aunque sea mentando madres, digo, está bien, it's fine. And say Ernesto.
Ernesto.
Fuego! Ratatata!
Chao.